In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create both bulleted and numbered lists in Google Docs. Lists are a fantastic way to organize information, making it easy to read and to highlight key points. Whether you're preparing a report or drafting a simple plan, using lists can enhance the clarity and presentation of your document. Let's dive right into the steps that will help you achieve this. First up, let's talk about highlighting your text. This is an essential starting point because you need to tell Google Docs exactly which text you intend to format into a list. Simply click and drag your cursor over the text that you want to include. This ensures that when you apply the list formatting, it directly affects only your chosen words or paragraphs. Now that we have our text highlighted, let's move on to creating a bulleted list. You'll want to navigate to the menu options at the top of your Google Docs screen. Look for the icon that represents a bulleted list. It's usually depicted by 3 horizontal lines with dots next to them. Click on this icon and you'll be presented with a few different styles of bullets, from simple dots to more decorative options. Choose the style that best fits the tone and format of your document by clicking on your preferred option. Once clicked, Google Docs will automatically transform the highlighted text into a bulleted list, titling the points you want to emphasize. But what if you need a more structured order, perhaps indicating steps or a sequence? Numbered lists are perfect for this purpose. In this case, click on the icon for numbered lists, typically depicted with numbers or letters alongside lines. Similar to the bullet option, you can select from a variety of number formats, including Roman numerals or letters. Again, just click on the style that suits your needs, and voila! Your text will transform into a numbered list. Remember, while the visually appealing nature of these lists enhances readability, it's also crucial to ensure your content is concise and targeted. Lists can quickly lose their edge if cluttered with too much text, so aim to keep each bullet point or numbered item focused on one main point or action. And that's it. Creating lists in Google Docs is really that simple. Whether you're working on a quick checklist or a detailed project plan, mastering these features will definitely help you present your information in the most efficient and professional manner.